Hey all, today I'm so excited to try out outdoor gas pizza oven and grill 2-in-1, and it's from Rosori brand. So I'm going to get the oven out. Alright, so I took out the oven from the box, and now I have to assemble a few things like handles and everything. So I'm going to do that. The oven looks sturdy. The stainless steel is really good. So here I have all the parts that I need to assemble. In order to fix the leg of in order to fix the legs, you will have to turn the oven upside down. So as you can see, I have three legs already installed, and here I'm going to have my fourth one, and then I have to screw it from this side actually. So here I have the last three screws. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there are like three holes, two up here and one up here. So just they won't stay like this, but I'm just going to show you, like from this side, that is how the screws go in, and then from here it's like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and screw them all. Alright, so our pizza oven is ready. So I'm going to connect now these two gas cylinder, and so now it's connected, and I'm going to turn it on, basically open. Make sure that it is connected really well tight, and I am ready to try it out. So close it, and here it shows the temperature. So right now it's below 100, as you can see, and now I'm going to turn it on from here. The knob is very simple, as you can see at the bottom of it, like from minimum to maximum. So I'm going to, because I'm going to bake pizza, so pizza needs to be baked on a high temperature, so I'm going to turn it on high. So just push it and then turn it on, and hopefully, let me show you inside. As you can see the flame now, so let it get heated. I am ready to bake pizza today, so let's see how pizza turns out in this pizza oven. As you can see, the temperature is getting high. Before it was below 100, and now it has increased. I'm going to preheat oven at 580 degrees Fahrenheit. It is right now 500, very close to 580. So I'm going to get prepared for the pizza. While the oven is preheating, I'm going to prepare the pizza. I'm going to prepare veggie lover pizza. So I'm just going to spread tomato sauce, spread cheese, and choice of your toppings can be used here. So I'm just going to simply use onion, bell peppers, mushrooms, olives, some basic vegetables that are used for pizza. This is the first time I am making stone pizza, but if you want to prevent your dough from sticking, then your two best friends are flour and cornmeal. Cornmeal works actually the best. These will help from a barrier between the pizza stone and your crust, which will prevent it from sticking. If you really having issue, you can always cheat and use parchment paper. I saw some video where they use even parchment paper to transfer the rolled dough onto the pizza stone. Alright, so here I have the pizza ready, and I really hope I can transfer the pizza into the oven because I don't have anything special, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this and slide the pizza in. I'm gonna have to open the whole thing to transfer the pizza. Alright. Not perfect, but it's okay. And it has already started bubbling, I can see that. So I'm just going to close it immediately. And it says for about 3 to 5 minutes. I would not open the door, but let's see just to check it out. I see that it's baking nice. I messed up while transferring, but let's see. It started smelling so amazing here, like an Italian restaurant. Here I have some basil that I'm going to use. They're dying now. It's winter already here, so alright friends, so as it promises to make pizza ready in about 5 minutes, but I like my pizza a little well baked, so I allowed like a couple of more minutes, and so now it's about 7 minutes, so ready to serve. Now since I don't have anything again to get the pizza out, I will have to invest in something. The pizza transfer spatula. As you can see, the pizza is ready, so I'm going to turn off. So just press and rotate to turn it off. So it's off now, and carefully I'm just going to just lift this so that I can get the pizza out. But look at the pizza. I am so loving it. Yum, yum, yum. So let's see if I can get this. Yep. Just have to walk a little bit around. Alright, so I'm going to slide the pizza onto the cutting board. And look at this. It is super duper hot. So I can hear the crunch while I am cutting it, especially the crust is very, very crispy. It's really hot. Look, you can hear the crunch. I must say I really love this oven. So if you are thinking of buying, just go ahead and buy if you are really a pizza lover. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Making pizza into portable outdoor gas grill plus pizza oven, 2-in-1. And please like and comment below, and I will link the product under this video description if you are planning to buy one for yourself. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinner as Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon. To prepare the pizza dough, in the bowl of a stand mixer, combine all-purpose flour, salt, sugar, and yeast. I am using Rapid Rise Active Dry Yeast. So I add straight in with all the ingredients, and it allows me to store the remaining leftover yeast very well as well, just right in the pack. Mix all dry ingredients really well. Now add oil. I like to add generous amount of oil as I like my pizza crust a little crunchy. Add warm water. It is very important to add warm water, which is at about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, to bloom and multiply the yeast well. Initially, I'm going to add 2 cups of water and mix. Then place the bowl under the mixer and start kneading the dough in a rhythmic manner for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. You may need to add in a little bit more or less flour and water, but the key is to remember that the dough will still be sticky and will stick to your fingers when you try to pull it apart, so it shouldn't be hard. The dough can be kneaded with hands if desired. Grease a bowl, then place the dough back into the bowl. Turn the dough to coat it in oil. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap or a towel. Let the dough rise at room temperature until double, about 1 hour. Then allow the pizza dough to bloom for about 2 hours depending on the kind of yeast used to prepare the dough. I use instant rapid rise yeast, so it takes about an hour and a half or something like that. Sometimes it may get done before that, even depending on the temperature, the weather. Alright, so let's allow the dough to rest. Alright, so let's check the dough. This is the perfect dough. Very airy, very light, and it has bloomed very nice. So punch down the dough. Gently punch it down, literally, so that the gases are released from the dough. Usually 2 to 3 gentle punches are enough to degas the dough, and knead the dough gently. It's time to get the rolling board and pin. Roll out the pizza dough. You can just expand however you like. I always try the way professional chefs do and I can never do it. So either you can just stretch it like with your hand, or use your favorite rolling pin and just roll it.